everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Now we are continuing with our series of for break structure. Continue to see how we could have taken the trades after for break structure. That trade should be taken in Siamese invalidation point, or Siamese new validation point, or Siamese hidden validation point in Siamese time frame. But our alert tends to occur in 4 hour, like you see here. We have seen our 4 hour block of structure over here, that this was low, over here it was high, and this was low, this was high. Then the price came and closed below here. This candle closed below here. So the closing of this candle below here makes us this call it as 4 hour block of structure, and name it as 4 hour block of structure. I'll proceed with releasing these things because it is well known that after any break, I usually say after any break, tell us that we are going to shift a certain phase. Either if you were in passive phase, you are going to shift in that phase. We enter in correction phase. If you're in correction phase, we shift in continuation phase. For instance, if try to look here, if this one or this one was just impassive move over here, or this was just correction, then impasse, then this break, it indicates that we are entering in a correction phase. So as that correction phase makes us to find a trade as a counter trade, so as to continue the trend. Like you see, this was just a little bit downtrend, and we broke this here. So breaking this, you get that we have broken the 4 hour trend. Hence, you are expected to proceed high with more bulls. After seeing this 4 hour break of structure, we just go in 1 hour time frame to find 1 hour break of structure. Like you see here, this was low, this was high, this was low, then we broke. Then when we came back, we closed the below here, making this one as a 1 hour break of what? 1 hour break of structure, like this one. I think you get the point how it thing goes. But I usually say that was not full enough. What we have to do is go lower in 50 minutes to find either 50 minutes invalidation point, or 50 minutes new invalidation point, or 50 minutes hidden invalidation point below the lowest point. Either that lowest point is the 4 hour break of structure, or it is 1 hour break of structure. Like here, our lowest point is 4 hour break of structure, so we just find here our lowest point. Start from here. This was high over here, this was low, this was high, this was low, this was high, this was low. You should try to say that this was the break of structure. It was not called since the price closed with what? With a wick. Hence we neglect this point, we find another point. But you come and find that our point was after here. This was high, so low, this was high, this was low, this was high, then this was low. If you try to look here, there was a certain break around here, but the highest point was this one. And this point, when the candle came close, it did not close this any wick, hence make this one as a valid structure. Due to that, this one becomes our 50 minutes invalidation point. Why? Because when the price went, when it came back, it triggered it, hence making it at the valid 50 minutes invalidation point. We consider this one high. Don't consider this high. Because this high is from here, then up here, then it came back to trigger this point. Then we took a trade, and this one become our 50 minutes invalidation point. 15 minutes normal invalidation point. You can name it that this is 15 minutes normal invalidation point. That was not full enough. We just went lower in 3 minutes to find either 3 minutes invalidation point or new or hidden invalidation point, so as to minimize the drawdown. As usual, our aim is just to risk only 20 pips per trade. That is what our strategy can stomach. Come to look here, this was high, this was low, this was high, this was low, then this was our invalidation point around here. But when the price went, it came back, hence making this point around here our new invalidation point. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. So making this one as our CDMINIC new invalidation point. Let me name it fresh. Invalidation point like you see over here. Let me make it more visible like that one. Remix new invalidation point. After then, just going forward, find if the Lily occurred the same point as we planned. Our aim, like I said, was just only to risk only 20 pips. Our aim was just only to risk 20 pips. And those are 20 pips. Okay. Now you see that this trade is bullish for more confirmation. First, when the price came, did not close above, below here. It closed above. And also, if you come in day time frame, you see that the price here has broken this, breaking the structure, tell us that we are still going up. Due to that, just come in for around here, see what happens. We see what happens on this trade. Okay, like you see here now, the price came and it triggered that point of 3 minutes, and it is still going on. Like you see here, we're still holding this trade for full Gbpchf. Thank you guys. See you again. Any question? Yes, can DM us.